Hey you guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching Toya JTV. This is week 11 of the How to Stretch Your Relaxer for Healthier Hair series. And today I'm going to apply some heat. I'm going to do loose curls. I do not want to do all those curls that I did the last time. I'm going to do loose curls this time. So I am going to use the flat iron, but it's not going to be bone straight. It's going to have a little curl in it. Alright, so I've already shampooed and condition my hair, and towel dried it. I shampooed with the Extreme Moisture this time shampoo, and then I conditioned it with the replenishing conditioner. So after I towel dried it, now I'm just applied the leave-in conditioner, which is probably one of my favorite items in the line, simply because it does three things in one. It detangles. It adds an extra layer of moisture to the hair without making it heavy. And it also acts as a heat protectant because I have heat protectant ingredients included. All right. So at this point, I'm just combing it down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. I'm kind of on a time crunch today, so normally I would wait a little while before I blow dry my hair. Um, and that's just out of preference because I feel like if I air dry my hair for the most part, then when I blow dry the rest, it only takes me like 5 minutes to blow dry the rest because I pretty much let it air dry. So I just like to cut down on my dryer time, so I let it air dry. But since I don't have that kind of time today, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry. And y'all see I'm using this super wide comb. This is just a great detangling comb. All right, so I'm done with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry. Okay, so now I have it all dry. I think I want to do a deep part. Alright, so yeah, this is about where I want my part. And as you can see from week to week how my hair gets higher and higher. It started out when I first got my first relaxer like this. Okay, and then as the weeks have grown by, it's just gotten higher and higher. So now that's just all this new growth, which, new growth, technically, you're happy to have new growth because that means your hair is growing. You have hair that is freshly grown. So, but at the same time, it's just sometimes it can be hard to deal with. Like I said, it looks like your hair just grows, higher and higher and higher. But the trick is learning how to deal with and embrace your new growth. All right, so yeah, I think I want something like this, but I'm gonna curl it up. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna curl it in the morning. So I've done everything that I need to do. The only thing left to do actually right now is curl. But since I don't go back to work until tomorrow, I want it to be fresh. So I'm just gonna wake up earlier, a little bit earlier. It'll take me about 20 minutes to curl my hair. So I'll wake up about 20 to 30 minutes earlier, curl my hair, and then I'll come back when I show you I'll come back and show you the finished product. I'm just gonna curl it with a flat iron, okay? Yeah, I believe this is how I want it. Sometimes I switch it and go to this side, but I'm kind of partial to this side just because I like to wrap it this way. I like to wrap it going this way. If I switch and go to the other side, it's gonna be so awkward to me to wrap that way. All right, so I shall return. All right, you guys, so it's the next morning and I'm about to curl. It rained terribly yesterday, but I think I'm in the clear. I think it's not supposed to rain again today, so I'm glad I didn't curl my hair yesterday. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started.